Do you guys remember like 3 or 4 months ago when Haley and I went to the Goodwill bins on half off day, and it was just absolutely crazy, crowded, just rambunctious, and I said we were absolutely done with half off day at the Goodwill bins. Well, here we are back at the Goodwill bins on half off day. We're gonna get inside here, see if we can find some cool stuff to flip online for profit. The Goodwill bins is also known as the Goodwill outlet, and it's essentially a clearance center for all the stuff that Goodwill couldn't sell at their normal stores, but good things fall through the cracks all the time. For instance, the last time we came to this Goodwill on half off day, I found this plank plush from the Cartoon Network show Ed, Edd and Eddy, and it turned out to be incredibly rare, and we actually sold it for $197. The price of items in here is determined by how much they weigh, and at our location that price is $1.89 per pound.
Like Haley's got a new shoe booth. You can always tell they're new because they're mostly still wrapped together with rubber bands. Let's see what she finds in there later on. These Apex shoes could be pretty good. They're like orthopedic walking shoes. They're very expensive and new, and these look to be in good condition. Still got a little sticker on the bottom. These are probably like maybe 25 bucks or so plus shipping. I'm so good. How are you? Still watching the videos?
I haven't seen him in a while.
Yeah, you see us in real life. You don't need to watch the videos. Again, today is half off day. Normally everything in here is $1.89 per pound, but today it's gonna be half of that. So what is that, like 94 cents or something? I can't do math.
Haley found this pair of Jordan 5 Raging Bulls, and even though they are kid size, they should still sell for about $40 plus shipping. I wanted to see if they would fit our dog, like in the movie Air Bud, but I think they're too big.
This one, these Merrill shorts, size 10 up to it. Probably not worth a lot of money, but it is half off day, so this will be really, really cheap. Ooh, I recognize that. True Religion jeans. These are always a really good sell. Size 34. Nice like patterning and whatnot. Very cool.
This brand of men's jeans can sell as high as about $50 plus shipping in used condition, but I wanted a relatively quick sale, so we threw them up on eBay for 30 bucks plus shipping, and they sold in less than 10 minutes.
This thing right here. Oops, sorry. Chrome tabletop game board. I think it's missing something right there. It's pretty big. I don't really want to mess with that.
So I decided to head on over to eBay to check sold comps for this vintage Karam game board just to see if I was missing out on anything by not buying it. It looks like they're going to sell for about 30 bucks or so plus shipping. When you factor in all the bubble wrap and the special box I'd have to find, I don't think I missed out on anything this time.
This little sweater thing here. Premier, like a, I don't know, single button cardigan action going on, like these pink and black blobs. It's kind of interesting. It's got pockets. Let me get that. This really cool hat here. Books turn muggles into wizards. I guess that's Harry Potter. Yeah. $17.99 original retail. It's kind of cool. Another hat here. Hollister. Denim. Kind of cool. So I just found this Omron Go Smart pedometer. It doesn't work, but I think it just needs new batteries. But looked up on eBay, and there's actually been a decent amount sold. I mean, there's a lot listed, but it's still a lot of them sold. Pre-owned, 19 bucks free shipping, $15.99 free shipping, $14.99 free shipping, $29.99 free shipping. All pre-owned. That's this exact one. So we'll pick this up for probably, I don't know, 10 cents or something. Put a new battery in it. Hopefully it works. Turn it into about 15 bucks.
Spoiler alert, we did have some of those flat hearing aid batteries laying around, so I changed it out, and it works.
Here's one of these old hat buckets. 1993.
1993.
That could be good though. There's 24 listed and 33 sold. But none of these are, well, that one's the same thing. 25 bucks free shipping, or plus shipping, 29 plus shipping, 27 plus shipping, 25 plus shipping, 24, 35 plus shipping. So yeah, we're gonna get this, folks. This vintage Halloween stuff always does really good.
We've actually already sold this Halloween cat bucket, and they made enough money to pay for our entire haul today. So stick around, we'll talk about that in a minute.
These. Oh, there it is. Lululemon shorts. A little something right there. I think that'll come out though. So I just found this like purple and green Afghan, like handmade yarn Afghan type thing. Looks to be in good shape. I don't see any holes or anything like that. And I just looked up on eBay. There's a lot listed. I think there's like, I don't know, 600 or 700 listed, but there are some solds, and they're just like Afghan blanket throw granny hexagon square flowers. not branded or anything like that. And like the more intricate the pattern, like I think these are cool colors, like purple, green, and white. And that one right there sold for 30 bucks plus shipping. That one sold for 9. That one sold for 30. So I don't know, not a ton of money, but I think this is like cool enough that we could maybe get like 20 bucks for it.
We've actually already sold this blanket as well, and it sold for a lot more than $20.
Got this little PacSun sweater here, size medium. It has these little like tears all over it, but I think that's how it's supposed to look. Typical PacSun vibes, you know. Also got this little Star Wars graphic tee here, says 2XL. Little X-Wing fighter graphics. No stains, no holes, and it's a good size.
A pair of Miss Me jeans. Nice bedazzling on the back. Let's make sure all the buttons are there. Yeah. Good pickup. This will be a Bradley. Oh, it works. It looks like a Star Wars gun. 1996 Lucasfilm. That's pretty cool.
So there's been a few of these Star Wars blasters that have sold on eBay in the last couple months, but the one at the top of the screen that says best offer accepted on $100, that doesn't mean it sold for $100. So I went over to TerraPeak, which is a built-in research tool on eBay, and I found that that gun actually sold for $50 plus shipping. So given all the data, I think we can get about $40 to $45 plus shipping for ours.
Checking out the blanket's not weighed. Blanket is set price. Everything else should be good to go. How much is the blanket, just out of curiosity?
$2, it'll be $1 today.
$1 today. All right, awesome. $17.15. Sounds good. All right, thank you, ma'am. We appreciate it.
So unfortunately, we didn't find any crazy finds like that Cartoon Network plank plush we found last time, but we did get everything in this video for only $17.15. And like I said earlier, we have already sold a lot of this stuff. But real quick, before we get into that, I want to share with you guys one thing that I found really interesting. This is our YouTube analytics homepage here, and this is watch time from subscribers. So over the last 28 days, out of all the people that are watching our YouTube videos, 64.3% of you guys are not yet subscribed to the channel. I think it's safe to say that if you're still here watching this video and you haven't clicked off yet, you've likely enjoyed at least one aspect of everything that's going on here. So if you have, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. It's totally free, doesn't cost a single penny, and it really helps us out a ton. And if you really like our videos and you want to take it a step further, you can click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way YouTube will tell you every single time we post a new video. All right, so we're starting out negative $17.15 because that's what we spent on everything in today's video. But remember, we've already sold that pair of jeans on eBay for 30 bucks. So after eBay fees and shipping, we still made $26.25, which when we do the math, we are already in the profit, $9.10. I definitely did the math in my head that fast and didn't do this previously. So in the profit already, but we've had some other sales as well. This black and pink vintage cardigan sold to our friend Rachel Strickland. She's a fellow reselling YouTuber. I'll have her channel linked in the description of this video down below, but she bought this for $25. It's gonna cost us, I think, $8.30 to ship it out in a padded flat rate envelope, leaving us with $16.70 in profit on that one. If you guys remember, I told you earlier that we sold that vintage cat trick-or-treat bucket on Whatnot for enough money to pay for our entire haul, and that sold for $21. So after Whatnot fees and everything like that, we're left with $18.24. So I'm not 100% sure where it is, but that vintage Star Wars toy gun is in our unlisted pile of inventory somewhere. But our friend Beetle, who was actually in a video recently, he was dressed up as Han Solo at our church's trunk or treat we did for our fall festival. We told him about that gun and he really wanted it. So since he's our friend, we're gonna give him a deal of only $20 on that, but it's saving us on shipping and he's getting a cool item for his collection and we're still making some nice profit. So cash transaction, no fees, plus another 20 bucks. And then we had that purple and green handmade Afghan blanket. I did say it was very difficult to determine an exact value on that. I was gonna list it on eBay for like $49.99 plus shipping and just see what happened, but we actually added it to one of our recent Whatnot auctions and it ended up selling for $43 plus shipping. So after Whatnot fees and shipping, we're left with $37.60. We haven't sold anything else yet, but so far we're at a total profit of $101.64. So this is not part of today's video, but I just want to take a quick second to brag about one of the best eBay sales we've had probably all year, and it's this Canon Pixma Pro 9000 Mark II printer. We actually found this on Facebook Marketplace a couple months ago. It was actually in one of our YouTube videos. We paid $100 for it. It's brand new, sealed in the box, and it just sold on eBay today for $500 plus $122 in shipping. After eBay fees and shipping and everything like that, we're gonna walk away with about $316 in profit on that printer, which is very substantial. We're used to flipping stuff from the Goodwill bins, you know, buying it for $2 or $3, selling it for $20 or $30. So having a nice single flip like that where we can make over $300 in profit is always welcome. So we're actually about to do another Whatnot auction tonight. I'm gonna try to sell these Lululemon shorts that we picked up in this video. On eBay, they'll probably go for like 25 or 30 bucks. They're actually camouflage. I didn't realize that when we bought them. I did wash them, but that paint stain on the bottom didn't come out, so we'll be sure to mention that before we auction them. But if we can get 15 or 20 bucks for those and Whatnot, that'd be great. Also, what I'm gonna do tonight is sell a mystery box, if you will. I'm gonna fill up this priority mail box with a whole bunch of stuff and then seal it up and then sell it for 20 bucks. And I'm gonna tell people, like, if you trust me, you should buy it, because I'll tell you guys what's gonna be in it. We got a vintage, like, Levi's, kind of like a denim shirt. Have that in there. We got a women's Vince shirt, or sweater, sorry. We got a FootJoy windbreaker. We got a pair of Page jeans. We got a Ralph Lauren polo shirt. We got a brand new pair of Carhartt pants, relax fit, literally new with tags. And I'm gonna throw, if I can fit it in there, throw this pair of kids Jordans in there as well. For 20 bucks plus shipping, I feel like that's a killer deal. I don't know if anybody's gonna trust me enough to buy it without knowing what's inside, but we'll see. I'm also really excited about these. I bought 400 vintage packs of Pokemon stickers. These are all from 1998, still sealed. We got little skinny ones here. We got big Mama Jammas like that. We've got all these over here, some Pikachus by himself. We got a whole big box of them. I like these. These are probably my favorite pack with the most on there. We paid $300 for 400, and it actually ended up being 437 packs. So I feel like that was a pretty good deal. Hopefully we'll sell some tonight. So I screen recorded the Whatnot auction on my phone, but for some reason it didn't capture any of the audio. So this is the mystery box that I just showed you guys. I listed it in the buy it now section for 20 bucks plus shipping, and it was only listed for like 10 seconds before somebody bought it. So we went through, opened everything up, and they absolutely loved it. Got a great deal. I mean, I don't think anybody can say that wasn't a good deal for 20 bucks. So that went well. And then moving on to the Lululemon shorts, they ended up selling for $24. So really nice sale there. So we are finished up with our Whatnot auction. I think you guys saw a little clip of the screen recording from it, so you can get an idea of how that works. But we did sell the Lululemon shorts for $24. So after Whatnot fees and all that stuff, we made $21.01. So we got to add that to our total over there. So $101.64 plus, what was it, $21.04? I think that's right. That would give us a new total amount of profit of $122.68, I think. I think I did that math right. We also did pretty well selling the vintage Pokemon stickers. We had the 3-pack of these, had the single ones of these. These all sold out. And these two did not sell out, but we sold most of them. This was like a 2-pack of Pikachu and that guy. And then this was a 2-pack of these two. So we'll still sell them later on the Whatnot auction. I might list them up on eBay and just see what's going on. The only problem is like shipping. The minimum amount to ship on Whatnot is like $4, so it's like hard to get people to pay $4 for stickers and another $4 for shipping. On eBay, the cheapest shipping would be like $3.50, so not much better, honestly. So I'm leaning towards getting into like making bigger bundles and just charging more. So like the lot of 3s sold out first, so maybe doing like a lot of 3 or a lot of 5 or something, like a bigger bundle of Pokemon stickers, and then charging maybe $15 or $20 plus shipping. I feel like people would be more willing to pay shipping on a bigger bundle than $4 for just one little pack. So we still have a couple items left from our Goodwill bins haul today that haven't sold, but the fact that we've already made $122.68 from this stuff is pretty crazy. And I know $122 is not a ton of money to some people, but to most people watching this video right now, I think it probably is. The whole reason we make these YouTube videos for you guys is just to share with you how much opportunity is really out there. Not everybody needs to become a full-time reseller. Not everybody needs to make, what the heck is that, some bug? Not everybody needs to make $5,000 a month from their reselling business, but a lot of people could really benefit from making an extra $100 to $500 a month, and that is so possible with reselling. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we will catch you on the next one.